If you're watching this, chances are you've been battling those stubborn dark spots, hyperpigmentation, or uneven skin tone that just won't seem to budge. You've tried products, you've waited, and you're probably wondering, why are these dark spots still here? You are absolutely not alone in this frustration. Today, we're diving deep into the real reasons your dark spots aren't fading, and more importantly, how to fix it. Let's be honest, hyperpigmentation is not easy to treat. It can take months, even years, to truly fade. And one of the biggest reasons it feels like your efforts are going nowhere, it often comes down to a few common mistakes. First up, impatience and inconsistency. You buy a new serum, use it for a week, see no change, and move on to the next one. Sound familiar? Skincare isn't a magic wand. It takes time for your skin to adjust and for those active ingredients to work their magic. We're talking weeks to months, not days. Secondly, skipping sunscreen. I know you hear it all the time, but seriously, this is the #1 culprit. Even if your dark spots are from acne or hormones, sun exposure will make them darker and prevent them from fading. You're essentially taking one step forward and 2 steps back. And finally, product overload or using the wrong ingredients. Are you layering 10 different serums or using harsh scrubs that irritate your skin? Sometimes more is better actually means more irritation, which can worsen hyperpigmentation. And not all products are created equal. Some simply don't have the right active ingredients to tackle dark spots effectively. Okay, enough about what's going wrong. Let's talk about what will work. First, sunscreen is your non-negotiable BFF. This is the absolute foundation. Use a broad spectrum SPF 30 or higher every single day, rain or shine, indoors or out. Reapply every 2 hours if you're outside. For extra protection, especially if you have melasma or deeper skin tones, look for tinted mineral sunscreens with iron oxides. They help block out visible light like blue light from screens, which can also contribute to pigmentation. Next, you need to use powerhouse ingredients specific to treat dark spots and hyperpigmentation. These are your heavy hitters for fading dark spots. The first ingredient is vitamin A, like retinoids or retinol. Think of vitamin A as your skin's personal trainer. It speeds up how fast your skin cells renew and shed, pushing those dark pigmented cells to the surface so they can flake off. It also tells your pigment-producing cells, called melanocytes, to slow down their melanin factory, reducing new dark spots from forming. Start slow, 1 to 2 times a week at night to build tolerance and then slowly increase. The next ingredient is vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant brightens the skin and helps even out tone by interfering with a key enzyme inside your pigment cells that's needed to make melanin, effectively putting a brake on dark spot production. Plus, it's a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from environmental damage that can cause new spots. Then we have azelaic acid, great for post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation from acne, and it's often gentle enough for sensitive skin. Azelaic acid is smart. It specifically targets overactive pigment cells, calming them down and reducing their ability to pump out excess melanin without affecting your normal skin tone. The next ingredient is tranexamic acid. This ingredient works by calming down the communication between your skin cells and your pigment cells. When your skin is irritated or exposed to UV, it sends signals that tell melanocytes to produce more pigment. Tranexamic acid helps block these signals, reducing melanin production and preventing new dark spots. Then we have niacinamide. This is like a traffic controller for pigment. It doesn't stop melanin from being made, but it prevents the melanin from transferring from your pigment cells to the surface skin cells where it becomes visible as a dark spot. It also helps strengthen your skin barrier and reduce inflammation. Finally, Alpha Arbutin, which directly inhibits the main enzyme responsible for melanin production in your pigment cells. By slowing down this enzyme, it reduces the overall amount of pigment your skin makes. Now, you don't need to go out and buy these ingredients as separate products. The key is to use serums that contain these types of ingredients and then stick with them consistently. Next, let's simplify your routine and be consistent. You don't need a 10-step routine. A gentle cleanser, 1 to 2 targeted dark spot treatment serums with key actives, a good moisturizer, and your non-negotiable SPF is often all you need. Stick to it. Consistency is truly key. Set reminders if you need to and take progress pictures. Sometimes you don't notice the subtle changes day to day. And finally, you need to address the root cause. If your dark spots are from active acne, eczema, or hormonal issues like melasma, managing the underlying condition is crucial. Sometimes this means consulting a dermatologist for prescription strength options or in-office treatments like chemical peels or lasers. Don't be afraid to seek professional guidance. Fading dark spots takes patience, consistency, and the right strategy. It's not about quick fixes or throwing money at every trending product. It's about understanding your skin and giving it what it truly needs. If this video helped you understand why your dark spots haven't faded and gave you a clear path forward, subscribe for more science-backed skincare tips and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Let me know in the comments below, what's been your biggest struggle with dark spots and what ingredient are you excited to try? In the meantime, check out this video here next.